morning, accounts department.
Morning. Just a quick message, just to let you know that I've validated. Well, I worked out the emails and validated the emails for 5 of the governing body and 24 helpers, and they're now receiving my eels. I'm Jehovah, by the way. Or are you going to prove that I'm not, brother? Are you listening to me?
I can hear you.
Right, brother, just listen, please, because I will reward you with so much money if you just listen. They're going down in a few weeks, mate. It's basically Daniel chapter 7 about the 4 beasts, right? And if you look at my YouTube channel, brother, Jehovah'S, Hacche, there's a brother, I won't say who it is, but he's opened my email 7 times. He's looked at my PDF, when was Jerusalem destroyed, because it certainly wasn't destroyed in 607. And I've got all the evidence. He's read that. He's been reading my Bible codes and opening them up. And someone is about to defect, but I'm not saying who, right? I'm a genius, mate. My Bible code genius I've been studying the Bible code millennium since May 2008. 3,500 Bible codes. I'm a gematria expert. You know, on your jw.org, they've got the bit about numerology. Yeah, brother. Where they say it doesn't, it's nonsense. It isn't. God's the best, is the greatest mathematician in the universe. Do you think he's not going to encode the Bible using ELS, equidistant letter sequence? That's the only way you're going to prove the Bible to be inspired, if God's put his signature of maths in it. And does that make sense, brother? Go and have a look at the article about the Bible code. I think it was April the 1st, which is April Fool's Day, 2000. And we'll see what the Watchtower said. Obviously, somebody is ignorant and doesn't know anything about the Bible code. And they take the experts, or this expert says this, that, without downloading it and trying it, brother. But I love you, and I thank you for listening.
Is there something specific I can help you with?
I know it's a shock, but do you think it's impossible for God to come down? And you know, the 2,500 years from 607 to 1914, when you Watchtower say Jesus was enthroned. Well, swap those numbers back over, and you get 2025, mate. That's the real Daniel number. And you know, Jay, if you write down Jehovah and J-Hacche, Hacche underneath, and you swap the CC in J-Hacche up to the OV, then what Jehovah becomes Hacche J. How do you like that? And also Hacche means gate. Hacche means gate or door. And Jesus said, go in through the narrow gate. In fact, the modern day surname of my Hacche name is Hatch, which means small gate, and Jesus said, go in through the narrow door. In Christ you will find the surname Hurst, which is my mother's maiden name.
If there's something from an account point of view I can help you with, I'm very happy.
Basically, I'm going to take all your money. I'm going to take all Watchtower's money. This is do accounting. I'm going to open up the kingdom halls at night and let the homeless sleep there. I'm going to give all the money in those that have been abused by sexual things compensation, which you are hiding. You should have joined the United Nations, should you, brother, in 1992? And didn't tell your followers, and then basically you got found out by the Guardian newspaper and basically disassociated yourself. I've got the letter from I rang up the service department once, they admitted it. You know about the United Nations, don't you? If you think you're going to get away with that, and you say to people, do not join the YMCA. The YMCA, brother. You're being recorded, so I know who you are, brother. I know who you are.
Absolutely fine. Take care, my friend.
Love ya.